Welcome to part 3 of our series about manufacturing in the UK. We're with WDS. We're looking at what they can do with stainless steel. Now, once again, we're with Mr. Mark Moody. Mark, when might your customers specify stainless steel for their application over alternative materials, and how does this vary from sector to sector?
Most of our customers would specify it because they want the stainless steel properties. So they want the strength. They might want the nice shiny look of the stainless steel, but most of the time they'll want it for anti-corrosive purposes. So they'll use it in food and hygiene, pharmaceuticals, anywhere where it needs to be, where it can be wet, or whether it's used outside. So it's usually that's the factor. It is a premium product, it's a much harder metal, it's much stronger.
Okay, so all of your operations here for stainless steel, they're all happening on site. This is Pudsey, Leeds, the UK. It's happening here. Yeah,
we manufacture on several different machines, from CNC turning, CNC milling. We tend to use 316, so we go for a premium steel. So, and when you're specifying, it's something to watch out for. A lot of our competitors might go for 303, but we tend to specify, in the most part, 316.
Right, okay, so it's quality as well.
It's quality as well,
okay.
Made here in Leeds.
Do you have any application examples that you can share with us?
You might get automotives, because obviously it's corrosive. Marine is a good one, because saltwater test, you've been battered by the wind and the rain and the salt water, so that's got to hold. The last thing you want is your boat to fall apart. Pharmaceutical and food industry, so they could spray it down, use the detergents to clean it without damaging the surface, or making sure that surface doesn't come off into the contents of your food. Last thing you want is metal fibre coming into your food.
Oh, definitely not. Definitely not. We can get that. So all of that expertise, again, I come back to this same point. This is what you're offering here.
Absolutely.
At this site.
Yeah. We'll design it. We'll draw it. We'll spec it. If the customer's given us a specification, we'll draw it to that specification, and then the drawings that are made up by the technical team, we sent down here, sent to the machine, and made in the machine here. So this machine here behind us is making these little nuts, all seamless, all the way through here in Leeds and Pudsey, and then we'll stick it into the warehouse ready for same day dispatch. Yeah,
that's excellent. Now, you offer your customers chemical blacking with your new Inox Noir range. What's the benefits of this process?
So Inox Noir, it's quite fascinating actually, because what we've done is we've taken the 316 products that we make, and then we chemically black it. Now that actually adds to its anti-corrosive properties. So this is better than 316 steel against the weather and the rain and even salt water.
Right.
And looks really nice. It's a nice matte black finish, so it's used in entertainment, cameras and lighting, that kind of stuff, or where somebody simply wants a black version which is anti-corrosive.
Okay, so do you test this? Do you know what the actual durability of something like this is?
Sure. When we brought this to market, we took ours, we took a competitor's, which is actually 303 steel against the 316, and there's a marked difference after the testing. We didn't do the testing here, we sent it to a third-party independent tester for salt water spray testing. Right. And our product outperformed all of the ones we tested. And it was proven as well that by blacking it, it actually made it more anti-corrosive than standard 316 steel.
Right.
So it's a really good, strong finish.
I mean, that is quite a stark difference that you've just demonstrated there. So, for somebody that wants their product to last and be durable.
That's the answer, yeah. And it's specified, so the dimensions don't change because it's a chemical process. It doesn't change the dimensions or the thread of the material. It's exactly as it should be, and it's an exact match for a stainless steel version.
Wow, okay. Now, what testing or validation process are important in demonstrating the performance of stainless steel?
It is that saltwater testing, really.
Okay.
There's nothing worse than being hammered by salt water in terms of anti-corrosive, and that's the end result. So we were really pleased with that. The results can be found on our website, just under Inox Noir. Loads of information there, and all the test results are there for everybody to see. So we've been open and honest about it. We think it's a cracking product, and it just extends the range, and it just gives a customer another choice.
Right. Okay, that makes sense. Interesting. So again, we come back to this same point: the expertise, the knowledge, the capability. This is all happening at the site here in Leeds. It's here to be tapped into. So really, it's a case of people who've got that need you're in a position to help them.
Absolutely. If it's not on the website, if it's not on our current catalogue, come and talk to us about what you do need, from one to thousands, and yeah, we can come and make them here. And if nobody believes us, come and knock on the door, ask for me, and I'll show you around.
Okay, brilliant. So on my visit to WDS, I've certainly seen an expertise that these guys offer in the field of stainless steel, and certainly what they can do, what they can engineer, what they can help and advise with is definitely worth checking. So why not take the time, talk to Mark and the team here, see how they can help you. Thanks ever so much for watching. We look forward to seeing you on the next video.